Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see order by function and sort function in pyspark. So basically, if I go line by line, first we are imported all the functions. So from pyspark.sql.function, this is the syntax. We need to follow the same syntax. Then I just imported the all the types, and then just I imported a Windows function like Windows, right? Because I have taken this dataset from the window function video, right? And then if you see in the data, first whenever you want to create a data, first we are going to use the square bracket and then round bracket. So basically round bracket we call as it one tuple, then second tuple, third tuple, right? And first we can also call as a first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth, sixth and seventh. Total we have the seventh row, means 7 records. And the schema means what is the column name we are going to give, right? So first one is the ID 101 102, then HR, that is department, and then male and female, that is gender, and last one is salary. Then after that what we have done, so this is a syntax: create a data frame. Data frame means basically you can call a table, like create a table in the pyspark, right? First we are going to provide the variable that have the actual data, and then we are going to provide the schema variable and that have the actual schema name or column name. Now let's what we can do, let's display the our actual data frame, or you can call it as a table, right? So I use either we can use the show function or display function to see the data frame. Now if you see, we have the total 7 records, 2 departments and some male and female employees, right? And then respective salary. Now what we want, firstly we want to do the sorting on the basis of department, and then we want to do the sort of under each department, then salary, right? Then what we can do, firstly as I mentioned, we can use the sort function or order by, both are same. Then we want sort, but on which column we want sort? So now we want sort on department table, right? Department column, right? So here I can use df dot column name also, or we can use like that also. Now let's firstly we will sort on basis of only one column, and then we can sort. So by default, whenever you are not providing any specification, like either we want ascending or descending, by default it will sort on the basis of ascending. So right, if you see now here, this is our data, we have the 101, but when we do the sorting, right, I done the sorting on the basis of HR, right? If you see now we got 3 on the basis of department. Now suppose what we want sorting first on department, but after that we want sorting on salary as a descending order. Now it's not sorting either salary on descending or ascending, it's normal sort, right? What we can do, firstly we sorted HR, right? Then we want 9,000, 7,000, 3,000, 2,000, right? That is salary is descending, department is ascending. So what we can do, I just need to give the comma one more, and then what is our column name? Column name is gender, sorry, column name is sal, right? I can just copy this name and paste here. After that, as we can use one more function, that is descending, and just add the bracket. Now let's run the same code and let's see the what result we will get. Now if you see, firstly we have done the HR as a ascending, and then we are getting 9,000, 7,000, that is 101, 103, 104 and 102. Like if you see, that is the on the basis of salary, 9,000, 7,000, 3,000, 2,000. Now let's see, we will sort HR also and department also in descending order. Then let's see the result. Now here also just dot comma and descending. So H and I. So if you give the alphabetically H, I, J. Now if I do the descending, what it will do? It will do the IT first and then highest salary in IT, right? 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, right? Now so that is the way we can use the sort function. Now let's see the same thing we can do using the orderby also. So same thing, nothing else, like we can just copy whole as it is syntax and we can paste the here and then we can show our result. Now first one is here, maybe I can, what I can do, sorting. So whenever you want to do the comma for the single line, we can use the hash symbol, and when you want to do the multi-line comment, then we can use the triple single quote at the starting and ending, sorting using sort function, right? And then here I can copy the same comment and here I can write sorting using order by function, order by function. And now let's run the code. So first we sorted, this is the actual data 102 here it's like as what you entered it's showing like that, but in same thing what we have done mostly, as I mentioned, it will show the same result, sort by and order by. So now we have the IT 6000 5000 4000, right? And if I see the same thing, we have the IT 6000 5000 4000, right? So both are functions same only, so either you can use sort function or order by function as per your convenience. As I mentioned previously, if you want to give the multi-line, so we need to use three dots, and here if I use hello, so this is the multi-line comment, and if I run once again it will work. So that is the, either when you want to do the comment, so for the single line we can use the hash, and we want to multi-line comment, then we can use what we can use the hello, right? So that is a multi-line. So now we have not entered the multi-line, so that's why it's printing. So that's all about the sort function and order by function is PySpark. If you have any question or any doubt, please write down in comment and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.